So today guys, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the Realtek issue, the no enhancement issue, as you can see in the picture. So to make a proof, as I go here, you can see here that there's no enhancement tab. Even if I press the properties, there's no enhancement options. So this happens after the new update. It's basically a problem with the driver. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Here's the fix. What you're going to do is go ahead and go to the device manager, and then right click on or click on the sound, video and game controller, and go ahead and disable the Realtek audio driver. And after you disable, you can restart your computer. After that, go ahead again and then update the driver, and then let me pick a new driver. Press the first one and click next, and there you go. Restart again, and let's see if the problem is fixed. So after a restart, I'll go ahead and go to the sound settings. As you can see here, we go again to the speakers, right click or the properties, and as you can see, we have the enhancements, the bass boost, virtual surround, room correction, loudness equalization, which is not present during the first part of the video. So the problem is really the driver. I don't know if what is the problem with Realtek. So this is the issue, and the issue is being addressed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video.